PNY Trainings is offering 1-year diploma in advanced web technology. In this 1-year diploma you will learn complete advanced web development technology, HTML, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP and MySQL, MVC with Laravel, React.js, Mean and Mern Stack, Node.js, MongoDB, Python, ROR and more. The popularity of the courses has increased as more people get interested in this profession. We'll try to look into the numerous advantages of an online web development diploma. Who is this course for? Employees of web development firms, front-end developers interested in learning back-end programming, as well as the reverse, entrepreneurs who have never written a line of code in their life. Enroll now.